question that we get asked all the time is, when is the best time to buy a motorhome or a camper van? Now, obviously, this is going to depend a lot on where you are in the world. In the UK, the peak season for leisure vehicles is April or Easter time to end of September, beginning of October time. That's when most people want to be out and about, the weather's nicer, and the demand for motorhomes and camper vans is higher, and therefore the prices reflect that. So, if you want to try and save some money and get a better deal, your best chance is buying outside of the peak season. There are a couple of ways that you can do this. If you want to buy a brand new vehicle, then I would suggest you go to a motorhome show, and that's one of the big motorhome shows where dealers come, manufacturers reveal their latest models, and you can actually save quite a lot of money on a brand new vehicle. Now, we personally have never ever bought a brand new motorhome, but we do know people who've saved upwards of about £10,000 on one, especially when you add in things that the dealer or the manufacturer is able to provide for you, like an awning and a solar panel and things that they can add on to your motorhome. So if you know you want a brand new vehicle, I would definitely wait until one of the big motorhome shows to go and have a look and see what kind of deals they've got available. Word of caution on that, be really careful about what is included in the deal, because I know of people who have gone, oh my goodness, that's amazing, I'm saving like £20,000, and literally the deal is for the frame of the motorhome, the bare bones, and maybe 4 tyres if they're lucky. It doesn't include what you would consider basics, like some of them didn't include ovens or fridges or basic things like a mattress. So yeah, be really careful what's in the deal. A lot of them have what they call an on-the-road price, which is a basic model but with everything that you might expect from a motorhome if you say you were going to rent it. And then a lot of them have a package that you can add on to that, which might include some of the extras that you want. So be really careful and make sure you read the small print and understand exactly what's included, because the model at the show will probably have all the extras fitted onto it, not the base price that you are looking at. And annoyingly, the model at the show with all the extras has got the base price outside of it, and the two are not the same. So be really careful on that. If you want to buy a second-hand vehicle, there are a couple of times where the prices are a little bit cheaper, and there probably isn't going to be as much of a difference as you might expect. But one of the biggest times is at the end of the season, so October, November time. And this is when a lot of the manufacturers bring out their new models. They reveal them in the big October show in the UK. And a lot of the dealers therefore try and shift their stock to make room for the new models that have just been released. So that's quite a good time to try and get some deals. Similarly, at the beginning of the year, January, February time, before the new reg plates come out, and in the UK they come out beginning of April time. So if you want to get a slightly older vehicle, a year or 2 years older, you can get some good deals on them because dealers are trying to shift them out the way to make room for their brand new vehicles. So those are 2 really good ways of doing it. Another way for a second-hand vehicle is to go to second-hand shows. Now, these are exactly like the big shiny motorhome shows with all the brand new vehicles, but they're second-hand. And a lot of the dealers and sometimes the manufacturers will take second-hand or show vehicles or even ex-rental vehicles to these shows. These ones are often outside, not in a big hall. And you can go look around them exactly like you can at any other normal motorhome show, and they've got some really good deals on second-hand vehicles there, and those are often sold as seen, so make sure you do your checks. But they are a really good way of finding vehicles at slightly better prices, so you might find any of those options able to save you a little bit of money. If you are looking to buy or upgrade a motorhome or campervan, don't forget to download your free buyer's checklist. The link is in the notes, full of things that you need to check both inside and outside the vehicle before you sign on the dotted line. And you might find watching either of these videos helpful with your decision-making process. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.